overstructure. I know some of you guys can think that too. But where I live, they're turning this road. It used to be a 2-lane back there. It was a 5-lane between the center lane, which is turning lane. They're turning this into a really bad mess. We're only surprised that we haven't even got a really bad car accident towards what my mom said. And this is actually real life footage of me saying this right now. Yep. This is bad. And all that county, all that bus got hit. This is Thursday, which was Friday. Yesterday, video, which is November 1st. Last week, oh my goodness. Well, look at who we have here. Another guy. Really? Anyway, who was it? I wasn't in on to anybody we awesome. I ain't jumping yet. Your life stay red. Okay, there goes someone. They are not part of the construction. I don't know what they're doing with that gas station. Oh, well, we actually got some people in here. Ooh. Oh, we got a wheeler. See? They must have one. Show. If you go to Popcorn 2.0's channel, there's a video of you and my friend. We're having soft tacos later. That's with both of us. She has not sent me the video yet for me. It's gonna be the same, but the video that you're gonna see is on my channel on YouTube. We will show some hard work of them moving my road actually over. They actually did move my road. I'm gonna switch. So right there's my old road. Right there's the road that we go through. And then over there is the road that we actually go over. So we will go through. Oh, we actually, I just saw because that guy had a freaking silence on his truck. Here's what we're going to actually use now. We have been taking the interstate. Oh, I actually want to show my county. So, there is one of those trucks that has a name on it. Yeah. Who's that sign? Oh, right there. I had to block it. Sorry, I had to block that sign. I had to block that sign. And then here's another road that they actually had a detour a long time ago. They shut actually shut the rest of that down. Okay, I see you. I see you. AMT is another company that is doing it. Yeah, currently done. Yeah, that used to be like, that's used to be where my sisters got rid of that, but they destroyed it.